Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily start your own non-profit in Washington. I believe creating your own non-profit should be easy, fast and effective, not that much difficult. So I believe the way that I'm going to show you is going to be the most helpful. So what you want to do first is just scroll down below on this video and click on the link in the description. Then you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to help us start our own non-profit. And what you want to do is simply click here, start my business. Then you're going to have to choose LLC and non-profit and state of formation, Washington. Then you're going to have 3 packages, silver, gold and platinum. My recommendation is going with the gold. With the silver, you're going to have the basics with the free registered agent service, unlimited name searches. With the gold and platinum, especially gold, you're going to have covered everything what you need. With corporation bylaws, IRS form, business tax number, lifetime company alerts, also the business tax consultation that I recommend to have. And then you're going to have the platinum package when you're going to have option to have the expedited filling. So your company would be filled faster. And here you would click expedited filling if you want to have it, and business contract templates, domain name, business email. But my recommendation going with the gold, and I would click get the gold package here. Then I'm going to choose first name, last name and email. So here I'll go Marcus Stonelius tutorials, and you can fill it easily with me. But my recommendation is having with the gold package, and then you are easy to go. Then we are going to add a number. Okay, and then street address. City and state. And also zip code. Now when I have it, I will press simply next. Then you're gonna have to choose if you need name members or no. You see, most smaller nonprofits elect not to have a formal membership structure, and thus avoiding documenting and maintaining membership roles, as well as avoiding the time and expense of having the members vote on directors and other major corporate decisions. Right here you're gonna see 96% selection rate. The nonprofit will not have members. That's something I'd recommend too, only because then you're not going to have too much administration to do. Then you're going to have the purpose of nonprofit, and you're going to have options to have the public benefit corporation or religious corporation. My recommendation is having to have a public benefit corporation. And what you're going to do, you're going to click next here. And then you're going to have the state filling time. So you can have state filling time of 7 business days or 3 weeks. If you choose the gold package, you can easily choose the 7 business days. If you want your nonprofit to have it faster, and then you would press simply next here. Then you're gonna have the nonprofit name here. So you're gonna have a designator, and let's say it's going to be Marcus Marketing. And designator, let's say it's going to be fund or foundation. Number of directors, you're going to choose how many directors you're going to have, and then business purpose. So let's say I'm going to write marketing service for small business owners, and then industry keyword. Right here I'm going to write marketing and marketing consulting services. So you're going to choose the industry then. Then you're going to have the company address information, and something you can do is you can easily choose between like having your professional business address or use your own. When you would choose the professional business address, you see that you would maintain privacy by using a commercial address, or you can use your own address, completely up to you. And then you would click simply next here. Then you're gonna have the premium service package, where you're gonna find the business contract templates, domain and business email address, and you will click here, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity, or get upgrade and bonus. That's completely up to you if you want that. And now the next thing is going to choose directors. So you have to write, these are the bylaws. So you have to add a directors here. So I'll allow Marcus Directorius. And then you're going to have the officer information. So what you have to do here is just simply add a president, a secretary, and also treasurer. So with the president, I can choose myself, let's say, secretary, someone else, and you always read the definition of secretary and then you're going to choose a person or other person. And treasurer. And then press next. When you're going to be here, you're going to have the registered agent information. So you see that only Incfile offers 1 full year of registered agent service for free. So what do it offers you what is really great that Incfile is going to cover it for free for the first year. And that's why I would recommend doing with Incfile and focusing on non-profit and not doing it by yourself. But of course you can do it by yourself. Then you would press simply next year. And then you're going to have the tax identification number. So I'll add a name. Then I would simply add an SSN number and physical street address. So, and when I will have it, and when you will fill everything here, the tax identification number is like employer identification number that Incfile will apply for you, and they will obtain it from the IRS electronically. So that's pretty good. And then press next. Then you're gonna have setting up small business banking. So you can have a Bank of America small business specialist contact you, or not at this time. So if you don't want to have bank account with Bank of America, you don't need to do that. And then you would simply press next here. And then you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation. So you can have a free consultation with Incfile, and that's something that I recommend again to do. To have the consultation with Incfile, and they will give you advice how to understand non-profit, etc. And when you will have it, press next. And then you're gonna have the review order, where you would find like everything is added correctly. And if so, then you're gonna simply press next here. And then you're gonna have the billing information here. So here you would add a first name, last name, street address, city, card number, and when you will get it, what you want to do is just simply press complete and pay. And then this is how you can easily start your non-profit for not that much money. So this is the way that I recommend, and then Incfile would contact you, give you all the questions, etc. And that's pretty much it. So I hope I helped you, provide you some guidance, some value here, how you can start your own non-profit. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.